Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying hardware and Zoom selections. First, plug the mic into a different USB port and test speakers with a local audio file so you know hardware works. Then open Zoom, go to Settings, Audio, and explicitly pick the microphone and speaker devices you want. Once done, disable Automatically Adjust Microphone if you get volume swings, and manually set input so peaks sit around -6 to -3 decibels. This prevents distortion and keeps volume consistent. Next, refine Zoom's processing so your sound is accurate. If you need high fidelity, music, or instruments, enable Original Sound in Advanced Audio. This bypasses aggressive compression. Also, reduce or disable background noise suppression when it clips quiet syllables, because noise filters can mangle speech. Make sure Zoom's sample rate matches your audio interface. Choose 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz to avoid sync or quality issues. Once set, use a 30-second test, recording, and finally, finish by resolving system-level conflicts and preparing fallbacks. Restart Zoom, and if needed, reboot your machine or just restart the audio service. Unplug and replug USB devices to force a fresh enumeration. Update audio drivers and the Zoom app, and test the mic in another program to see if the issue is Zoom-specific. If problems persist during a meeting, switch to a wired headset or use Zoom's Join by Phone option as a reliable backup. This isolates network versus device faults and keeps you in the call.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.